Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes yourself. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget to collect records for potential deductions, like student loan interest or medical expenses. Having your Social Security number and last year's tax return handy will also streamline the process. Organizing these items upfront saves significant time and reduces stress later on. Next, you'll choose how to file. Many people opt for tax software, which guides you step by step. If your adjusted gross income is below $79,000, you might qualify for free online filing services. Research different software options to find one that handles your specific tax needs, whether you have simple W-2 income or more complex investments. Make sure the platform you choose is secure and well regarded for accuracy. Now it's time to input your information. Carefully enter all income details from your W-2s and 1099, along with any deductions or credits you're claiming. Accuracy is crucial, so double-check every number, especially Social Security numbers and bank account details for refunds. Before submitting, thoroughly review your entire return. Look for any missed opportunities for deductions or credits, and ensure all information is consistent and correct. Finally, submit your return. Electronic filing is generally recommended for faster processing and immediate confirmation. If you're due a refund, e-filing also speeds up its arrival. Remember to save digital and physical copies of your submitted return and all supporting documents for at least 7 years. This is vital for future reference or in case of an audit. Also, check the description below for a great book recommendation and other helpful deals. It's a fantastic resource for improving your financial outlook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.